What's up everybody, it's Luke here, and today I want to review for you the 12-inch ring light by Peyou. This is one of the better setups that I've seen as far as ring lights go, and it includes a heavy-duty tripod as well as many other accessories. The light itself is really cool. It's a little bit bigger, being the 12-inch model, and comes with some cool features. The kit includes some awesome accessories like a tablet mount, a cushion phone mount, as well as a gooseneck model, and it even includes an extra tripod. The gooseneck holder is nice to keep your phone away from the ring light. The included tripod is really easy to set up. Simply loosen the screw, fold the base downward, tighten the screw back up, and then you can extend it as needed for the ring light height. To telescope the tripod, simply loosen the thumb screws and extend the boom outward. This particular model has 3 sections for added flexibility in height. Another cool accessory that came with the ring light is this swivel mount. You simply loosen this thumb screw and you can swivel this all the way 90 degrees to the side or at any particular angle. A small note I have is that the swivel is all metal, as is the whole top of this tripod. It's kind of surprising. The remote is easy to use with a power button as well as a dimmer up and down and a color temperature button so that you can adjust your color temperature between a cool blue or a daylight as well as a soft white or a mixture of the two. As both a phone holder and a light, this ring light really takes the cake. The gooseneck phone holder is nice because it keeps your phone out in front of the light. The swivel makes placing your phone at the correct angle even easier. And the flexibility of being able to put your phone different directions is of tremendous value. The 12-inch ring light from Peyou is easy to set up, and as you can see, carries a smaller footprint than even the tripod on my 8-inch ring light. The lighting from this ring light is diffused really well and makes lighting dark areas for video just great. So if you're looking for a ring light setup that does it all, check out the Peyou 12-inch ring light with tripod. It's an entire kit and will get you started into the video you need to create now.